In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Udemy dark mode. If you spend a lot of time learning on Udemy, switching to dark mode can make a big difference for your eyes, especially at night. We'll keep this simple and quick by using a trusted browser extension that turns bright pages dark without breaking how the site works. First, open your browser and type Dark Reader extension into the search bar. Then, press Enter. Dark Reader is a widely used tool that applies a clean, readable, dark theme to most websites. It doesn't just invert colors, it carefully adjusts contrast and brightness so text stays crisp and images look natural. Next, in the search results, look for the official listing on the Chrome Web Store. It will clearly say it's the Dark Reader page on the Chrome Web Store. This is the safest place to install it. When you open the listing, you'll see details like the extension's icon, description, and user reviews, which can give you confidence you're on the right page. On that page, click the Add button to begin installing. Your browser may label it as Add to Chrome, and that's expected. You'll see a brief summary of the permissions the extension needs. These are required to let it style pages you visit so it can apply the dark theme. When prompted, click Add extension to confirm. The download and installation only take a moment. After it's installed, your browser may show a quick message letting you know the extension is ready. You don't need to create an account or change any complicated settings for it to work right away. Now head to Udemy. If you already had Udemy open, give the page a quick refresh so the new styling takes effect. You should immediately see the interface switch to a comfortable dark theme with readable text and reduced glare. That's it. Udemy is now in dark mode. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. Dark Reader is designed to work automatically, but if a page looks slightly off, don't worry. The extension includes simple controls you can explore later to fine-tune brightness and contrast or to schedule dark mode for evenings only. Those options are there if you want them, but they aren't required for Udemy to look great right now. To recap, you searched for the Dark Reader extension, opened its Chrome Web Store page, clicked Add, confirmed by clicking Add extension, and then visited Udemy to see dark mode applied instantly. Enjoy a more comfortable learning experience and happy studying. Happy.